Hello, my favorite friends. Welcome to Love It by Andrea. FabFitFun unboxing summer edition. As you know, I am a proud partner of FabFitFun. I am here to show you guys what I chose to come in my summer box. And I cannot wait to show you guys everything that I got. I am a select member, and if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun, there is a promo code here, and also there is a link. This is the affiliate link, and if you choose to use my link, this will help me maintain my passion here on YouTube. I can create more videos, show to you guys. Okay, so usually it they have like different colors, but it's on the same kind of style. So I got this one that it is orange. Okay, I love the box, very summery. And also you can add some products. Okay, so if you are choosing, usually they give you 3 options in each category, and you can choose to buy the other products for an extra fee. Got it? So it comes like a magazine in every box. On the first choice, I had 3 options, and I chose is I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it is Vicks Paula Harmony Lotus towel. I didn't open this yet, but it is this towel here, this beach towel. Okay, let's open. So I chose this one. It's a round one. So it has this pen. I don't remember if I chose the color or not, but I love the color. The second product that I chose, it was from 111 Skin, is the Rose Gold Brightening facial treatment mask. So this pack here comes 5 masks, and the retail price for this pack here is $160. So it's totally worth it. Just like this mask here, this pack here paid like almost for the whole year of FabFitFun subscription, because I think that the whole year subscription, it goes for $180, $179. Yeah, just this pack here, it was like worth it. And do you remember that you can choose to pay extra to come the other product on the selection? Okay, so I got this tote, beach tote here. It's really cute. I love it. I already posted a picture on my Instagram. Please go there at Love It by Andrea, and you can see it's very spacious. And I love that there is like a magnet closure here, and you have ton of space here. There is a pocket. I love it. And I think that I paid $15, $10 for this one. The third product I chose was the Jennifer Zimner Star Double Necklace. This is the first time I think that I chose a jewelry to come in my box. It's really cute. Here comes like all the care instructions, and it came like on this cute bag. I don't know if this one here is going to discolor or not. Who knows? It depends how you take care of it, right? Okay, so the next one, there is a choice for you to choose a mystery item. For the past 2 boxes, I've been choosing the mystery item and I am loving it. So this time I chose it again, the mystery choice. I got the cleansing oil from Skin & Co. It's gonna be really good to remove makeup for a double cleansing. Yes, love it. Love it. The next one that I chose, and I think that this was like the last one that we could choose for select members. I chose the Cooler Makeup Setting Spray. This is a awesome choice for you guys that want to replace your sunscreen throughout the day. If you are wearing makeup, this is a go-to. I love to use this one. I got a trial size in one of my subscription boxes. I got this one when I saw that this was one of the options. Just grab it like right away. It has SPF 30, so it's just like spray and you have replaced your sunscreen throughout the day. Also, you can use translucent loose powder that has SPF. Okay, so you just like apply and then you're good to go. Okay, so now it comes down to the products that it comes for everybody. You cannot choose them. For everybody, it came the invisible hair rings. Okay, so it came like a box with 6. I got the clear ones and a kind of nude ones. The other product that it came, it was Generation Clay. This is a brightening purple clay mask. Another mask. I love facial mask. I have to try this one. Okay, so it came this mask here. I never heard about this brand, but I'm gonna let you guys know. And we are approaching the last 2 products, and this one is from Gracie and Estella. It's a spray all day hydration rose facial spray. This is like more like a thermal water, you know what I mean, just for you to spray your face when you need like that boost of hydration, just you want to feel your skin fresh. And the last one is from Wish. This is a exfoliating foot mask. Wow, I love foot mask. It says here that is intense hydration. Oh, I love it. I cannot wait to try this one. And this is the end of our video, unfortunately. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to let me know which product you like it here. If you already try it or if you want to try it, please let me know, because if you want a video for showing you guys me trying it, please just leave the comments here down below. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. And see you next week.